Alright, let's talk about something serious here. Your daily latte. Yes, that delicious, frothy goodness that wakes you up every morning. It's making you broke. I know, sounds dramatic, but stick with me. So here's the deal. The Latte Factor is a term coined by David Bach in his book, The Automatic Millionaire. It's all about those tiny, seemingly harmless expenses that pile up and sabotage your saving goals. Let's break it down. Say you spend $5 on a latte every day. That's $35 a week, around $150 a month, and a whopping $1,800 a year. Imagine what else you could do with that money. I mean, you could practically buy a small island. Okay, maybe not an island, but you get my point. To put it in perspective, if you invested that $1,800 annually with a 7% return, you'd have over $150,000 in 30 years. That's a nice chunk of change for a house, a dream vacation, or even retirement. But hey, I get it. Giving up your daily latte is like asking you to give up oxygen. So, what's the solution? You don't have to completely abandon your caffeine fix. Just be smart about it. How about brewing your own coffee at home? You can get a fancy coffee machine for the price of a couple months of lattes. And those savings add up. Or maybe limit your coffee shop visits to once or twice a week. Think about other small expenses too. Subscriptions you don't use, eating out too much, or that gym membership you haven't touched since January. Make a list and see where you can cut back. Alright, so here's the challenge. Track your spending for a month and see where your money is going. Identify those latte factors and cut back. Take that money and start saving or investing it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So, next time you're about to splurge on that overpriced latte, ask yourself, is it worth sacrificing my financial goals? Or can I find a cheaper, equally delicious alternative? And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments how you plan to tackle your own latte factor. Until next time, keep saving and stay savvy.